Now there are platforms who want to pay you to test websites for them, to answer little surveys for them, and perform the same social media tasks you do every day. Don't just take my word for it. We are going to be checking in this video if these platforms are real or they are fake. And I'm going to be sharing with you 4 of these amazing platforms. 2 of it are foreign platforms that will pay you in dollar, and 2 of it are Nigeria platforms that will pay you into your local bank account. Now, if you are from other countries like Ghana, Cameroon, Kenya, you will also get your money in your local bank account. Now, before we jump right into the video, if you are seeing me for the first time, you are welcome home. My name is Norma Evans, and I drop videos around how you can increase your productivity online and how you can make more money in the internet. If you are just joining new, please go down there and click on that subscribe button and turn on bell notification, because I only drop valuable and wholesome videos on this channel and you don't want to miss out. And if you have not liked this video, go down there and smash that like button. Thanks in advance. Now, with all this said, let's jump right into the video. So guys, right here in this video, I'll be sharing with you 4 platforms that will pay you every single day by doing simple tasks. Alright, now these 2 platforms are Nigeria platforms and the other 2 are foreign based platforms. But if you are from other countries like Cameroon, Ghana, you also receive your money in your local bank account, so don't worry. But you need the paper account for you to receive your money from these foreign platforms. Now the first platforms I'll be sharing with you is called what we call Free Cash. Now Free Cash is an amazing platform that pays you. As the name implies, free cash. Now this platform will pay you to install games, install mobile apps, play games, just test games, alright, majorly games. Alright, so you can see right here, say earn up to $10, 60 cents per offer. Alright, and they have over 174 offers available right now on this platform. As you can see, Netflix, alright, start a free trial on Netflix and you get $5, as you can see. And this one is like reach level 10, you get $10.60, and sign up a TikTok account, you have $2 right here. And this platform is an amazing platform and is a trustworthy platform. Alright, people have make use of this platform and they have made a lot of money from it. Before I bring any platform to you, I've already done my thorough research and I've seen the back end of the platform before I can bring it to you. As you can see on Trustpilot right now, this platform has over 46,000 reviews and the reviews are 4.5 star. Alright, which is almost 5 star. Alright, now so this platform is called Free Cash. I will leave the link in the description below. It will be the first link in the description of this video. As you can see, sign up for free and win up to $250 on this case. Okay, so to sign up an account with them is very free, and this platform, one of the best thing about this platform is that it accepts Nigerians and other Africa countries. All right, so because majorly many of these platforms does not accept Nigerians. All right, they does not work on our location if majorly if you're from Nigeria. All right, but I have to do my research and I have to bring this platform to you, and this platform accept Nigeria, accept anybody from Nigeria or from anybody from Western Africa and even Eastern Africa. So if you're from Cameroon, Ghana, you can also get money from this platform. All right, as you can see right here, say average time until user make his first cash out is 17 minutes 60 seconds. All right, this is based on what's it called, duration. All right, statistics on the platform. All right, $11.11.55 average money earned by users yesterday. That was an average money earned by user. All right, and 38 million dollar gold, $38 million total earned on free cash. I mean, this platform has paid out over $38 million. This is not naira, this is not CD, this is dollar. You know how that is. All right, and this platform is recommended by pagefromsurveys.com and Beziga. All right, so this platform is amazing, so go ahead in the first link in the description and go and try this platform out and start making money from it. All right, now the next platform we have on our list is Nigeria platform. Although we accept people from Cameroon, from United States, United Kingdom, Zambia, any other Africa countries. All right, but it's majorly based in Nigeria, but it accepts countries over 12 countries. The platform is called Obodeli, and Obodeli pays you for many things. Like, this platform has diverse ways to make money. I've made money from this platform, plenty of money. That's the reason I'm recommending it to you. All right, I will be able to be digging down into this platform, showing you diverse streams to make money and how they have the payout and everything. I will have that time because I'm dealing with 4 platforms on this video. I won't want my video to be very long. All right, so this platform pay you to do many things. You can become an affiliate with this platform, and anybody you refer to this platform, you earn over 2,500 per referral. That means if you refer anybody, you earn 2,500, and you can perform daily tasks. All right, like liking social media posts, subscribing to YouTube channel, just normal things you do every day. Those normal tweeting, all right, sharing posts. These are what this platform will pay you for. That's number 1 way to make money. Number 2 way is being an affiliate with it. Number 3 way, you can sell courses and what's it called, digital product on this platform, and you can make money. All right, what you just need is just to be a member. All right, to be a member is around 5,000 naira on this platform, and I'm telling you it's worthwhile. All right, the money you are paying is just limited to what you'll be getting, because within few days, 3 days, you'll be making 10x or maybe 5 times of that money you used to invest in the platform. It's just to use to register an account with them, and you start making money. As you can see, they have over 1 million plus micro job completed. Micro jobs are jobs like little jobs you do every day, like this normal micro job surveys, signing up an account, liking TikTok posts, and all of that. And they have over 22k plus micro influencers, and they have over 20k plus offers completed. Now you can also post your market, your business here, your offers, your whatever you are selling, and you have people promote it for you, affiliate promote it for you. So you have diverse ways to make money from this platform. Like you can sell digital products, you can affiliate digital products, you can sell courses, you can perform tasks, you can be an affiliate with them. Like the ways to make money from this platform is just limitless. All right, they are up to like 5 ways. All right, so just go down there. Second link you'll be seeing in the description. Use it to sign up an account with them, and just go through the payment method, pay stack, and you have a registered account with them. You are going to thank yourself for it. All right. So this is the second platform right now. So you can see membership, complete micro job as an influencer, hire targeted micro influencers, promote best performing affiliate, and sell your digital product and all of that. So just go down there and click on the second link on the description to sign up an account with them. All right. Now the top platform we have on our list is called Timebox. Now Timebox is an amazing platform that you can make money from. Now this is another foreign platform again. All right, with free cash. Now this is a foreign platforms you make money by doing simple work, just simple work. All right, this platform will pay you to sign up every day. Like you sign up an account with them, they will pay you. And the best part is that you're not paying any money to register an account with them. All right, but you need a paper account or a Bitcoin account, like a Binance account, for you to receive your money. All right, you must have a paper account or a Bitcoin account for you to receive your money. So I'll be linking a paper video in the description of this video. All right, go down there and check it out to learn how you can open a paper account, so that you can link that paper account with this very your Timebox account. So as you can see, daily bonuses you earn each day. All right, we run competition. Okay, we had top 100 earners with win a nice bonus. All right, and you can start earning like every single day you earn from this platform, and you can start earning instantly. No approval process required for sign up. You can sign up in 5 seconds and start earning. All right, referral program, when you refer someone, you can also earn commission from everyone, and they have weekly payouts, and they have friendly support staff. You need help, our friendly support staff will answer all your questions. As you can see, all your questions, don't wait for days for reply. We are here to help you earn as much money as possible. Sorry for that. So this platform is called Timebox, and they pay real time. All right, they pay real time, and they are on Trustpilot. All right, they are on Trustpilot. You go down to Trustpilot right now, you go and search for it. You will see that this platform is a verified platform, and they are authentic. All right, so this is the top platform right now on our list, which is called Timebox. We'll be moving on to the next platform, which is the last platform we'll be talking about in this video. And before we move on to the next platform, if you know you found value from this video, or you are finding value from this video, I will advise you, I will also encourage you to hit the like button right now, so that this video can get to more people. All right, that's the only way you can tell me thank you. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, if you are new here, or you have not even subscribed, all right, subscription is free. You are not paying any single dime for it. So go down there, subscribe, and make sure you turn all bell notification, so that you will receive notification anytime I drop more valuable videos on this channel. So let's move down to the next platform. The next platform is called Hawkit. All right, Hawkit is a platform that pays you to perform simple social media tasks, like posting adverts on your wall. All right, so as you can see right here, it says get paid for posting adverts daily on your social media. All right, earn daily by reselling products, posting adverts, and performing simple social media tasks for top businesses and brands on your social media account. Now you can just go ahead and create a free account with them. All right, if you're already a user, you can just sign up right now. And also they have their app on Play Store, and their app on App Store is coming very soon. So just go down there, go to Play Store and download their app, and you can start earning from your mobile phone, immediately. They have over 200 plus members and over 50 plus advertisers. All right, and they have over 10,000. No, this is 10 million, guys. 10 million advert views, and they have over 300,000 app download. So it's an amazing platform. You can make money by just posting on your social media platform. All right, you can sign up today, and if you want to sign up as a business, you want to post your adverts and you want people to engage with it, you can also sign up an account, and you can just sign up and you can see their pricing there. You can see their pricing there. You can sign up an account with them. It's very simple. All right, Orchid is an amazing platform. It has been on ground for a very long time. I won't have to preach more on this because it's so amazing. Just go ahead and start making money from it. I believe to sign up an account with them, it just costs around 1,000 naira to register an account with them. Register an account with them, you can start making money from it. All right, this platform is amazing and you can make good money from it. This can be a perfect side hustle for you. All right, a perfect side hustle for you. You can start making some bills, making money to pay off some bills. All right, because as of this time right now in this country, you don't have to rely on one source of income. You must have multiple sources of income to provide for your needs. All right, Hawk is an amazing platform. Go ahead right now and you can start making money from it. I won't want to dig down into the video. I would just love to end it here. And I believe you find value from this video. If you do, please do it to like this video and do it to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And you can share this video. You are free to share this video to someone you know this video will be valuable to them. You have friends and family over there. You know that this will be valuable to them. So go ahead and share it with them and they are going to thank you for it. All right. So again, thank you. Thanks for watching this video again. If you have any questions, if you have any complaints, you can go down in the comment section. You can go down in the comment section and lay your complaint, or if you have any questions, you have any review, go down there and lay it there, and I will answer to all your questions. All right. With that said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Now, two of these platforms are foreign platforms which are going to pay you in dollars, and two of it are Nigeria platforms which they are going to pay you in your local bank account. Now, the two first foreign platforms you are joining for free, but the two Nigeria platforms you are paying a token to register an account with them. And I'm telling you, the token you are paying is nothing compared to what you'll be getting in this platform, because you're going to be making 10x of that money within few days or the next 7 days or less. Because I've made money with these two platforms, Daily especially, and I can tell you it is worthwhile. Go ahead and try it out, and you can do this as a side hustle, and you can make money from this every single day. And you are free to share this content to your friends and family, and it's going to be a help to them. All right. Now the goal is to make more money online, so I put together all the videos on how you can make money online on a playlist. Click here right now to access these videos.